they're about half their strength. So they're losing about half their strength in 30 years, because I measured them, a whiles back when I was sort of re-tinkering around, getting back into this sort of stuff. I noticed things, like on the fridge. Hang on, this is one I had when I was a child, and it feels like it's half as strong as it was when I remember it as a child, sort of thing, and. Of course, you can measure things these days more accurately, so you might want to do that. So they do run down over time, but you give them that, and that'll do you for 30 years. Yeah, so anyway, we'll see how we go. So, you might want to think about this from a electromagnetism point of view as well. So, I'm on the permanent magnet side of things, and I stayed on the permanent magnet side of things. Everyone else goes off into electromagnetism because I think they've got a sense you can make stronger magnets and magnetism using electromagnetism, and you can do more things with electromagnetism, but then again, you stick to your permanent ones and then you get the breakthrough and all hell's going to break loose. I'm telling you, fellas, once you activate the kids of the world, once you activate the kids of the world, it's going to go. It's going to be another craze. You can see that there's not going to be enough magnets down in the shop to satisfy the people, the fathers and sons, and maybe mothers and daughters. You never know. Going into that shop saying, I want a truckload of magnets, please. My son and my daughter's got really into this. He's just building and building and building and building. I just can't get him back on the Xbox. Yeah, what's gone on? Yeah, okay, anyway, I think we'll end it this day 4 or whatever, and I don't know how many days it's going to take to build enough to give it a nice demonstration of a linear track, but and then we'll do the circular one. I'll go down the shop and see what sort of hosing and piping I can buy cheaply and cut down, and we'll go from there. And if someone else wants to come around with a camera and just set up a time camera, day 1, day 2, day, that'll be interesting. Okay, over and out. See ya.